How's it going, everybody? Steven here with InvisiLights, just going over the protective looms that we sell here that come with our kits that go over the wire, whether you want it on there or you don't. I'm going to show you the safety part and why you should choose our protective loom over cheap looms at Harbor Freight, Lowe's, and Home Depot. Our protective loom is a UL 94 VO. What that means is if it lights on fire, it's going to go out in less than 5 seconds. This one, as I'm going to show you here in just a second, is actually when it catches on fire, and this is actually says it's built for inside of your vehicle. That's one of the things listed that it can go in, so it's can stand up to heat up to 220 degrees. It also has a warranty with it. And I'm going to show you why. When you buy loom, it really matters on your choice of loom. Don't go cheap, because safety is #1 priority when we're installing lights or anything electrical on somebody's house. And you can see, as long as I keep the fuel fed for the fire, it stays on fire. And now I'm going to go over ours loom here at InvisiLights. I will also light a larger area. I'll have this upside down. As you can see, it actually kind of has like a little spark look to it, and it just like, you can see that it's just putting it out. You see, less than a second it was out. There we go. Out again, less than 2 seconds. And she actually, back to the Harbor Freight loom on the InvisiLights wire. This one might actually not be. This flame, as you can see, is a lot bigger. One more time. And here's our Harbor Freight one up close. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, I know you're a true 1%er in the permanent light game, and you have goals and aspirations that you want to hit and smash. So if you want to be a part of the InvisiLights family, comment or text me 801-564-9113. We're here to make you reach goals. We're here to help you make a buttload of money and be your friends. Let's go. We care about you. Have yourself a good weekend and be safe, everybody. We'd have a short under the soffit with everything that's hidden. This is a recipe for disaster.